If you enjoy my videos, like, comment, and consider subscribing. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Bits and Knits. In today's tutorial, we're going to have a really quick tutorial on how to make this really adorable neck warmer. So it's super fast. I made it in probably about 2 to 2.5 hours, and that's with a toddler running around. I used a simple V-stitch with 3 different shades of this nice pink color. I will put the materials, like the specific yarn, brand and colors that I used, the hook and everything in the description below. I'll put the dimensions of the finished neck warmer in the description below. And when I got to the end, or how long it was going to be, I just took these 2 ends and slip stitched them together. Alright, so let's get started. So first we're going to go into the 4th chain from the hook and make a double crochet. Then we're going to make another double crochet into that same stitch or chain space. Okay, we're going to skip the next chain, and then in the next chain we're going to again make 2 double crochets. So you're making 2 in the same chain space. Again, skip 1 chain, go into the next chain space and make 2 double crochets into the same chain space. Right, so this is what it looks like so far. And you're going to do this all the way to the end of the row. Skip 1 and then 2 double crochets in the same space. Right, so just continue like this to the end of the row. You can go ahead and pause the video, and I'll meet you when we get to the end of the row. Alright, so I've come to the end of the row and I have 1 chain left, and we're just going to make 1 double crochet into that last chain. Okay, so here's row 1 so far, and this is where it gets super simple. Just chain 2 and turn, and we're going to just make 2 double crochets in between the 2 double crochets from the row below. Again, just making 2 double crochets in that same space. So these little V's are like stacked on top of each other. So super simple. Go ahead and do your 2 double crochets in between the 2 double crochets from the row below, all the way to the end of the row. And go ahead and pause the video, and I'll meet you when we get to the end of the row. Alright, so I'm at the end of row 2, and what I'm going to do is change color just to show you guys the way that I do it. So we did our last V in the V from the row below. Now we're going to make our 1 double crochet into the top of this turning chain from the row below. So you're doing that for each and every round. So leave the double crochet unfinished with these 2 loops on your hook, and then grab the next color. So this is the next shade of pink. And you can use any colors for this, and just hook it around your hook, and then finish the double crochet with the new color. Pull this, and I do like to sew in my ends as I go along, especially for something as simple as this. It just takes a second to just weave them in real quick. So again, you're just going to continue the same way that we've been going by now chaining 2, turn, and doing your 2 double crochets in the 2 double crochets from the row below. And again, super easy. It works up super fast. Now for this particular neck warmer, what I did was I started with the darkest color, and then I switched color every 7 rows. So I did 7 rows of each color. So I hope you have so much fun making this like I did. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.